Imagine you're using AWS CloudFront to manage requests to an application load balancer, ELB, which then directs them to EC2 instances. You're faced with a caching problem. Based on the host header value, you need different caching behaviors. If the host header is api.domain.com, you want no caching at all. On the other hand, if the host header is web.domain.com, you want to cache the response for 24 hours. You're aware that cache behaviors and policies will come into play, but you're unsure how to set them up to achieve the desired caching behavior. Additionally, you're contemplating if modifying cache control headers using CloudFront or lambda-edge functions is necessary to solve this problem. Now, let's delve into the solution. One option is to create two different distributions, one for each domain, to simplify the process. However, if you prefer to stick to one distribution, a more flexible approach involves using lambda-edge. By crafting a custom Lambda function and attaching it to the viewer request, you can dynamically adjust the cache control headers based on the host header value. The provided Lambda code snippet showcases how you can achieve this customized caching logic. By leveraging this Lambda function, you can effectively control caching behavior on a per-domain basis within a single CloudFront distribution. In summary, you've learned how to tackle the caching challenge in AWS CloudFront by tailoring cache control headers based on the host header value using lambda-edge. This approach offers a scalable and efficient solution to manage caching for different domains within a single distribution. I hope this video was helpful in clarifying the implementation details. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Your engagement is always appreciated.